Hello and welcome back to my channel. This is Iris Arrington with Ideally Simple Decor with another Christmas in July. Thank you for tuning in again. And if you haven't subscribed, please do so now. Hit that notification bell and like. Okay? We're going to do a, and the best way I can define this or describe this is like a starlight. And we're going to use the 26 gauge wire that I have here. I have it in the yellow and the stainless steel. Oh, excuse me, in the yellow, in the green and the stainless steel. I have floral tape to use, wire, my wire cutters, and I'm going to be using the solar lights. And the reason why I'm going to be using solar lights is because I'm thinking I'm going to use this idea in my bushes this holiday season. So let's get started. Now the lights have wire in them, so which is very easy to take and wrap around this. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna wrap around the tip, but I'm also gonna use the floral tape to, okay, my printer is going in the background and I'm not even at the computer printing anything. How weird is that? But anyway, I'm going to use the floral tape just to make sure that it stays secure on the wire as well. But before we do all that, we're going to make sure we open up our lights, make sure everything is straight and ready to go. We won't have any kinks in it, don't have any knots, no tangles. Okay, so I'm going to apologize to you up front. I don't know how many lights are on this because I buy lights when I see them, because I like the way they are and I like the cost or whatever reason. I buy them and I don't always remember how many lights they were on the strand. But we're gonna take this and wrap this around our wire here. And I'm gonna get it as flat as I can, as close to that as I possibly can. Now the next one, because I don't have them connected, the next one I can take it from the bottom here, wrap my wire around it. Actually, you know what? I want to go a little, stay up just a little bit. So I'm gonna give myself about 2 inches at the bottom where I don't have any lights at all, and do that on all of my wire sticks. I was going to show you how I'm going back down. Once I reach the top, I'm taking my wire and I'm just sort of wrapping it back around, twisting it around the wire, taking my lights and wrapping it around the wire. Then I'm taking the end of the lights and pulling them down to make them tighter. Then I go the opposite direction, just winding it around like this, because it's easier for me to do it this way than to try to wrap the lights around it coming back down because of the other wires that I have on here. So just wrap it just like that and then pull this down tight. Then when you get down to the bottom, the length of your wire, where you want to stop, because this is where you're going to join them all together down here. Just wind it around a couple of times and then go to your next one. So you go to your next one, you start at the point on which you want to attach them. Turn this around, and this, the beginning wire, I can take it and just wrap it around this and keep going. Last one. Push it again, and we're gonna wrap it around. All the way around, all the way around to the tip. And at the very tip, I want a light up there. So do it just like that. On the way down, take it, wrap it towards me like this. Hold it, and I'm just gonna wrap it around with my hands. Wrap it around tight, just like this. Come on. Then once I get it, I'm gonna pull it down and see it tightens up on them. This is what it looks like once you get them all wound around your wires and all your lights are tight. You got it out like this. Now I'm gonna take these right down at the bottom, and I'm pulling them, just pulling them together in the order in which I wound the lights around them. Pull them all together. So what's sticking out here is just wire. It's not even, doesn't have any lights on, it's just wire. Now I can take this, wrap my tape around it. Our end is wrapped completely with the floral tape. Here's our wire, and here is our solar panel. So this is our finished product here. It looks just like the ones you buy, $30-something. And all you did was pay what you pay for your sticks and your solar lights. So just as with them, you can shape these in any shape you want to shape them in, and go in any direction if you want them to go. Spiral on the end of them, make them straight, make them curved, make them have corners, whichever way you want to do it, you can do it. So let's turn this solar panel over, turn it on, and there is our light star. That's what I'm gonna call it. We have lights on the tips. So you got lights on the tips and all over it. Okay, thank you for tuning in again. If you have not subscribed, please do so. Hit that like button and that notification bell, and we'll see you on our next Christmas in July on Monday, if not before.